Hi everyone, it's Esther from Essy Cooks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make these delicious espresso overnight oats. So if you're looking for a little bit of a change up in your overnight oats, these are so delicious if you're a coffee lover. So of course, the first thing we're going to do is brew up some espresso. So it depends on how many overnight oats you're making, but you'll want 1 espresso shot per overnight oat container per serving. Now, if you don't want the extra kick of caffeine, don't worry, you can just use decaf and you'll still get that delicious flavor. So it'd be up to you if you want to add the espresso with decaf or not. Now, each jar is going to need half a cup of oats. I'm using quick oats. You can use rolled oats if you like instead. And I'm making 5 jars here total. So half a cup of oats there. Now we want to allow that espresso to cool. So I've just got that cooling in the fridge because I don't want it to kind of cook the oats. I want it to be cold when I put it in. And each individual overnight oats is going to get 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Just going to thicken it up and add some extra nutrients to it. And then we're going to add half a cup of plant milk of choice. You can use soy milk, you can use oat milk, almond milk, cashew milk, whatever you like. I think I had cashew milk this week, and that's just what I use because that's what I had. I'm going to give that a nice little stir. With the chia seeds, you want to stir right away so that they don't clump. So I am giving those a nice little stir. And for some sweetness, because coffee is pretty bitter, I'm putting about a tablespoon of maple syrup in each one. You can use another sweetener like agave or whatever you like instead. And then each one gets that one delicious, beautiful shot of espresso. Just going to start really stirring that in to combine all of the ingredients. If you love coffee or mochas, you're going to love this. We put a chocolate shell on top too to make it extra delicious. Now, with any overnight oats, we just leave them to sit for about 8 hours in the fridge. You can leave them overnight in the fridge. And now for the chocolate, I should have added a little bit of coconut oil to it to make it just spread around better, but you can melt some dark chocolate chunks, some dark chocolate chips, add a little bit of coconut oil and just spread that around to make a nice little chocolate shell on top. You don't have to. I put a couple espresso beans on top just for looks, just a little extra something on top. Now I'm just going to allow those to set for just a couple minutes in the freezer, just so that we have that nice hard chocolate shell. And I would highly recommend adding the chocolate shell because it was delicious, or just even a drizzle of melted dark chocolate because the chocolate and coffee flavors just go together so well. I probably used about 2 tablespoons of melted dark chocolate chips per chocolate shell. And I hope you guys love this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.